What is nature's flow? Nature's flow means everything is based on and happens according to a certain order. Everything in the world took place and is still taking place according to nature's flow. Thus, nature's flow, or universal order, is the work of the world. It is the work of heaven and earth. People try to fix and change this universal order, but each time they do so, they encounter severe disasters and suffer. And when this happens, they look to God, because they cannot overcome these disasters. It is not by God that people live. They live by nature's flow. Teaching people about nature's flow is a big task. Teaching people the laws of heaven is called chando, meaning the way to heaven. But nature's flow is something that must be taught to man and earth specifically. Nature's flow is to be within order, and to be within order is to be like water that flows, and to be like water that flows is to be without conflict and stagnation. To not stagnate is to be alive, and to be alive is to be able to always move forward. To be able to always move forward is to be able to arrive in the complete world. From the water's point of view, the complete world is like the ocean, which is without words, free, at peace, and without qualms. In the complete world, the conditions for life for all things are the same. There are no causes for dissatisfaction, because all things are one. This is what it is to be complete. People can also reach the ocean if they live according to nature's flow. Nature's flow is the utmost wisdom that people can have. One must try not to be at odds with nature's flow, because if he is, he will eventually suffer some misfortune. Such is nature's flow.